Enjay camera. My name is Jessica.
Basically finished. So we're going to get the stick them.
So your camera right now.
So guys, the next step, I look to stick them now for the watermill. Yeah. Guys, this won't be a long video because you guys have seen me done that before. So you know, we're gonna show Jessica what's up. So y'all just keep on watching. I get out the machete now. Pineapple. 2 pineapples. Right planting. Machete. These are for the watermill that we're gonna make. So you see, we're gonna put these to use. For all who never see that video before, now we'll see it today. But machete time. Woo! I'm gonna get this stick them now. So Jessica already in the water said she loved the water. She's enjoying it already. So we're gonna get the sticks now.
Yes, people. We're out here. Yeah. Searching for some stick. Yeah. And this is nice. Taking over Enjay camera. My name is Jessica. Hi. Yeah.
Use as the long one.
Oh,
That's gonna spin the fish. Well, hopefully it's good enough. Whoa, guys, we got all of the stick them. Yo, the sun crazy out here. My phone kinda overheat also. So, you know, that's gonna be a challenge for me. Just a kind of back coming. Yeah, man. So you can see I feel never hot today. Because the sun, trust me, super hot. But reach back to the river. Jessica just reach back also. Yeah. So we can get this thing up and going now. Oh my word. So guys, we did do a proper introduction. We have Jessica Cargill today. And today we're going to be making a watermill, which we're going to, what, fish?
Yeah.
Or what kind of fish is it?
I think a snapper underground, but I'm not sure. I have
Alright.
to check back.
That sounds good. So we just went ahead and we got the sticks, and the sun kind of hot, so we hide from the sun. So we're going to sit in here and we're going to try to see if we can create the structure right now. So yeah, I'll just stick and stick. Boom. So guys, so watermill all set up now. Well, in a setup yet. But, you know, the structure is finished. So all we need to do now is go into the water and set up the rest of it. But the hard part gone already, so yeah, we're getting somewhere. So people say the pineapple. Trust me, the sun extremely hot. We're going to see if this can cool it down. See how skilled I am with the knife. What knife? Machete. So guys, pineapple peel, you know, sun extremely make the camera white. Yeah, we'll cut it up now. So we can, you know, get a little refreshment from it. Because we don't have any water. We'll look some jelly until we finish. But for now, pineapple style. Pineapple style.
Let me test this. Look at this view. Sun hot out here, man.
Very. I'm going to do that without a hope.
Yo, we lucky with that fishing. Yes. Sea was rough. Up parts of the place. So, none of the location had fish. So you're gonna
Make one slice.
wait, the stick gonna go through her.
No. Well, after they maybe have to tie them to the stick. So we're gonna tie them to it.
With
Right.
what?
With
With not
strings.
burn up?
Hold on to it.
Okay. Yeah, because
So we just put one with baby slice. Oops, that's not a baby slice.
what's
Sunburn. Red. Get them more stable. Real bushcraft. Family.
Yes, people. Bushcraft. Bushcraft. Yes. Hey.
Final stuff. The people, we're crossing. I'm gonna pick some jelly now because we need to hydrate. You know, they actually lose a slippers like that before. Brand new. Like brand new slippers gonna cost same place.
Yeah. So at the beach clean up, we have so much slippers.
Yep, them good. Alright, that's it. Yep. Yeah, we'll make it cross. It's a challenge, but we have to do it. Jessica coming across still, she don't reach it. We'll go walk up here so I look some jelly. Because we're thirsty, yo. Believe me, feeling so we're thirsty, so that's what we're gonna do now. Get some jelly for drink, and we're gonna bring back some whenever the food finish. We have jelly for drink while we eat. That is it. It's the road right there. So go straight up. You reach? I should reach now, so. Yeah, the current's strong. Yeah, you can maybe go higher, very shallow.
Or here, or lower.
Yeah. So. Super. Oh, I make it up. So many jelly. It's too empty. I'm gonna find that tree there, so we're gonna head down there.
Whoa. Oh. Oh God. People. What can I say? Let me find Jenny. Oh, this is the best thing. Just to give you some context, guys, we came out here like 9 o'clock and now it's maybe 1 o'clock or something. We were not drinking nothing, anything. And you can see how we exposed to the sun. Yeah.
Wow. Guys, hey, right now the sun's super hot. Let's take off the hot. Here we have some coconuts. The next one right here. What we get? That's where I go eat with the food. Oh, it's hot. Yeah guys, so they here now, see me kind of cool off, you know, just sit off across. But the sun, believe me, it's super hot, yo. So right now I'm just easy over here, so we'll go across soon, you know, because the fish I'm supposed to finish right now. Cause we just go look some jelly and come back and so we'll cool off. So people, we are go attempt to cross back the river. Because we're going to check on the fish now. Whoa, the water feels good. So we'll check back on the fish now and get it up and ready. We're going to make a some planting also, so we might just make a fire for them there. Then we're going to roast. So, you know, roast fish and roast plantain. So, cross back the river with my coconut. Hope you don't wash off of this. I just wash off and I'm a jelly to get. The fish there look cold. The fish there look vexed. Slow cooked fish, you know? Yeah man, soon sample it. Yeah, Budum. Radam.
Radam.
Use of the wall of mistake and food. So peeps, here we have a fish and everything ready for eat. We're gonna sample it now and see what's up.
It's nice. You know, when you're either very hungry or very thirsty, that's when you start to know if you like it, because it is like everything.
So guys, the day has come to an end. So we are head back down to the bridge. Yeah people, it was a long day, a very hot one also. You see me? So you don't know, y'all are gonna see the full video on Jessica's channel because you know, as I said, I've done this a few times before. So if you guys haven't seen it before, I'm gonna put a picture of it so you guys can go and check it out. But for now, we'll load up and we'll touch back on the road now. You see me guys? So Jessica is behind. So how was it, Jessica?
It was excellent, fabulous, amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
love it.
we have to move out there now.
Yeah, I love the vibe.
So you all know how it is. Catch you in my next upload. So peace out.